At the time where Kaneshiro from Maui was reigning as chief, Luku is where he resided. A famous person of this said place was living, Kapoi and his wife, in Kaimuhe'e, upland of the two waters, Kanaha and Mauʻoni. These are the famous ponds of Wailuku. One day, the wife of said Kapoi wanted to go to the fields to catch grasshoppers. So, she arrived at the plains of Papalekaili'u, and then her travels went until she reached Pohakua Makaku. When she arrived far east of that place, there was a huge boulder whose named Alaha on the boundary side that meets with Hamakuapoko. This said grasshopper-catching wife of Kapoi found a nest of owl eggs on the side of this said boulder. 7 eggs were in the nest. The mother owl went to wherever she may have gone and just left the egg nest. This said wife took all 7 eggs. She returned and met with her husband, with Kapoi, in their house and told him about the eggs she had found. And the husband asked for the eggs, and the wife gave them. He saw them while saying to the wife, "The eggs that you have found are owl eggs." The wife said, "I thought they were the eggs of the flying duck, therefore I brought them." As they were conversing about these eggs, the owl to whom the eggs belonged had arrived, and saw that Kapoi was holding them. The wife said to her husband, "Is that perhaps the owl to whom the eggs belong?" The husband said, "Yes, perhaps. It may be hers, or it could be another's." While they were discussing, this owl answered, "Kapoi, my eggs, return them." Kapoi asked the owl, "How many eggs is yours?" The owl answered, 7 eggs. The wife said, "The owl is saying 7 eggs. The owl is right, 7 eggs. Return the eggs of the owl. It is not right for us to withhold them." The husband answered with evil disposition, "And what is going to make me return the eggs of the owl? Are we going to die?"